In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company logo on QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your new logo appears correctly on your invoices and other documents. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account the way you normally do. Once you're on your main dashboard, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores the main details about your company, including the logo. When the Account and Settings window opens, you'll see several tabs along the left-hand side. Click on the tab labeled Company. This section controls your company identity, such as your business name, contact details, and of course, the logo that appears on your forms. Within the Company tab, look for the section that shows your company name. In that area, you should see your current logo or a placeholder if you haven't added one yet. On the right side of that section, there's a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Click that pencil icon to open up the logo editing options. Now you'll see the logo area highlighted. Click directly on the logo icon and then select the plus sign to upload a new logo from your computer. This will open a file browser window. Take a moment here to choose a clear, high-quality version of your logo, ideally in a common image format like PNG or JPG. Make sure the file isn't too small or blurry, because this logo will appear on your invoices, estimates, and other customer-facing documents. Once you've selected your logo file, QuickBooks will start uploading it. Wait for the upload to complete. You should see a preview of your new logo appear in the window. If it looks correct and centered, you're ready to move on. If not, you can cancel and choose a different file. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in that section. This tells QuickBooks to apply your new logo to your company's settings. Finally, click Done at the bottom of the Account and Settings window to exit and return to your main dashboard. Your new logo is now set up and will automatically appear on your forms going forward.